Hi, Miss Joverly Antalan. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, sir. My name is Joverly Antalan, 29 years old, single. I have one child, 10-year-old. We live at Barangay Pulong Kaputod, Angeles City, Pampanga.
How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 4 brothers, 1 deceased already, and 3 sisters. I'm the 6th child in the family.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate, sir.
Why did you not finish college or try to enter?
Because of financial problems, sir.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
No, sir. But I have experience here in Philippines as domestic helper for 2 years. Family of 6, 2 older and 4 child.
How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm a hardworking and I can do work under pressure, sir.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of medical surgery?
Yes, sir. I have undergo surgery 5 years ago in my gallbladder.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my child education and to build our own house.
Are you scared of cats and dogs?
No, sir.
Can you give me an idea? How would you handle a naughty and a child with tantrums?
I talk to them nicely, slowly, and give them what they want if needed.
Can you sing us a nursery song?
Wheels on the bus, sir.
Yes, please. Continue.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go open and shut, open and
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract. If needed, extend my contract. I'm trustworthy, honest, and responsible person. I can do hard work and can do under pressure, and I can promise you. Thank you and God bless po.